In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to link your Snapchat to your Twitch account. This is a smart way to expand your audience and engage with your community. To do this, simply head to your Snapchat. Onto your profile page, tap right here to copy your Snapchat account link. Now once copied to clipboard, head to Twitch. Now onto your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Head to Social Links. Tap on Add Social Link. Title your link as Snapchat. Then after pasting your Snapchat profile link right here. Don't forget to delete these first words since they're already on the copied link. Tap on Add to save changes. Your Snapchat account link will show up on your Twitch profile. Well, that's how easy it is to add Snapchat to Twitch. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.